We got a call from Betty during the break, and so I'm just going to read Betty's question, essentially. Ask Chris, because we're kind of running low on time in this segment. She's from another country, Betty says. She has a will. A third of it's going to charity, a third of her money. 2/3 are going to her 2 nieces. How does she know that that will actually happen after she dies? That was her question.
Yeah, and there is not enough time to go in all the ins and outs of this one. The first thing that I would recommend, especially when you have a will from another country, if you are now a resident here or a U.S. citizen here, I would look at updating that estate plan just to give you that certainty. You can attempt to have a foreign will, and by foreign will, I can mean out of state or out of country will, probated in this jurisdiction, and they're going to look for all the formalities that are required. They're going to ask, was it executed with the formalities needed to make it valid in its original jurisdiction? And then the court's going to look at that. What I hear when I hear a question like that is I hear uncertainty. And with an estate plan, people don't want uncertainty because there's nothing you can do to fix it after you pass away. That ship has sailed. And so someone comes to me and asks that question, one of the things I'll say is perhaps this is the time to update your estate plan. Let's go over everything and let's get a valid estate plan in this jurisdiction so there is no doubt. It's not that there isn't the possibility that it could be effective and could be used, but because there is uncertainty surrounding it, if you have the capacity to get this updated and get it squared away, there's really no reason not to do so.
Very interesting. All right, Betty, thank you. That was more than I thought. So, Betty, I appreciate that call. I don't know how many people are from out of country that would have wills, but that's a good question. Thank you so much, Chris, for being with us. Basically, we're out of time. So I'll come back after this segment and give all the information for Takacs McGinnis. But, Chris, thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much, Ben. It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. All right, we will take a break. Come back with a little bit more right after this.